Good morning, friends. Howdy. Today we are going to check this out. Formula One Protectant. Again, it's a Formula One product. I tried Formula One. I tried Turtle Wax. I didn't try Megliers or 3M yet, but I think they are also good. So today we are going to review Formula One High Performance Protectant. Cleans, shines and protects plastic, vinyl and rubber. Helps prevent UV damage. Gives continuous tires a deep, long-lasting shine. Check well. Spread out on the surface and spread out your clean. So you cannot use this on glass, floors or fabric. Do not use on vehicle controls like this. The vehicle controls and grips, steering wheel, cycle seats, cycle tires or other surface slippery. So what we're going to do is we will use it on this plastic dashboard and on some rubber like the tires. It says to try on the tires, so alright, we'll try this today on one tire and see. This from West Rivals USA, made in USA product. I got this for like I think $8. So let's get it on. Use our other microfiber type towels and all. I also have some other products. You can see like the sparkle sticker and some shine, which I will be using in my another video, which I'll upload later. So let's just see if there is any dust. Okay, now let's shake well and spray it. Come on. Oops, it spilled on the glass as well. I must clean it immediately. Okay, so first thing we will clean it from the glass, because it says don't use on glass. My bad. Don't have any smell or anything, and only little bit shine, nothing much. The one with turtle wax, that is a better product compared to this Formula One, I guess. But since I have bought it, so I will use it for like 2 months, then I will go back to turtle wax. I also have the turtle wax still with me. So that's it. You can see a little bit shine, nothing more, nothing less. So that's the video for Formula One Protectant, right? Catch you later, friends. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please do subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.